Atrocities committed by CNA against the Zomi community. On 24th March 1994, Pu Nkap Sum driver was fatally shot dead by CNA on Lengklang Road in Tidim Township. In March 1995, Pu Zam Khanpao, a resident of Lopei village, was shot dead by CNA in Zote village. On 12 July 1996, Pu Si Lal Mangaya Kwangling, Mizoram, a leader of the Kwangling Mizo Association, was shot dead by CNA. On 3 August 1996, Lance Naik Vanal Peka of Mizoram Police was shot dead by CNA. In October 1996, CNA entered the house of Pu Kamhin in Saizang village, Tidim Township, and stole rupees 4 lakhs and 1 lakhs. In October 1996, the following individuals were shot dead by CNA in Saizang village, Tidim Township: Major Zail Zalang, Mr. Pau Khan, Pukhai Do Dal. On 15 October 2000, Pu Zam Tung Thang, the village head VCP of Tungzang, was shot dead by the CNA. On 20th October 2000, Dim Siansin, a primary teacher from Farklang village, Loibol Veng, Tidim, was kidnapped by the CNA. In March 2001, Pu Kham Khopa was taken 200 meters away from Rikodor and assaulted by the CNA. On 9th April 2001, Pu Thuam Gopao, a resident of Tuitang village, Tidim Township, was fatally shot by the CNA in Situi River. In 2002, 2 laborers from New Eden Base were fatally shot by the CNA. In May 2002, the CNA burned 7 jeeps and kidnapped passengers in Haimol village, Tidim Township. On 1st May 2002, Lalnguri was seriously injured in a bomb blast caused by the CNA in Haimol village, Tidim Township. In 2002, a woman from Phalam was fatally shot dead by the CNA at Mehtiala base in Laitui village, Tidim Township. On 1st December 2021, Zomi movement activist Moses Kim Tuang was killed by a CNA and other 2 CJDC members. After his death, his body was severely mutilated. On 6 December 2021, CNA and CDF Hwalngo entered New Haimol village and arrested EBC pastor Khub Khan Lang. On 17 December 2021, the CNA and other CJDC members opened fire on the Zomi Army ZRA-EC in Gosing village, resulting in the unfortunate deaths of 2 CNA soldiers. On 23 March 2022, the CNA and CDF Hwalngo fired on Zomi soldiers ZRA-EC in Lengklang, resulting in the loss of the precious life of CNA soldier Salai Tuan Penglian. On 2 May 2022, Pu Zail Thanlian and Pu Sum Khanlian were struck by a CNA landmine bomb. Tragically, Pu Zail Thanlian lost his life on the spot. Pu Sum Khanlian, however, is undergoing treatment in India. Incurring significant costs in the lakhs of rupees, despite surviving, he now lives in the blindness and lameness, enduring a life of pain. Pu Sum Khanlian has documented his harrowing experience in a book titled Katwa Siat Na Sung Pan Kati Pannate. In addition to humans, animals, particularly mittens, have tragically fallen victim to CNA's landmine bombs. One such incident occurred on 8 May 2022 when a CNA CDF Hwalngo landmine bomb claimed the life of a Mithun near Thinglei village. Following this incident, CNA CDF Hwalngo provided the meat from the Mithun to the families of Thinglei Hwalngo. On 4th February 2023, CNA and CDF Hwalngo soldiers injured in gunfire with Zomi soldiers ZRA-EC near Laitui in Tidim district. Tragically, 15 CNA CDF Hwalngo soldiers lost their life in the exchange. On 25th February 2023, TV Thanga Lal 21 from Walnam village, Tidim district sustained serious injuries as a result of CNA landmine explosion. On 22 March 2023, the CNA and CDF Hualngao engaged in gunfire with Zomi soldiers ZRAEC in Mualum, Tidum district. During the altercation, a CNA vehicle was set ablaze. On 30 March 2023, the CNA, CDF Hualngao and Zanyat CDF initiated gunfire on the Zomi army's ZRAEC in Mualum, Tidum district. Additionally, the CNA forcibly utilized the vehicle of the former Laitui village head while returning home. Pu Langzasut, 69, of Rikhaudar village tragically passed away on 19 April 2023, Wednesday at 10:30 a.m. due to injuries sustained from a CNA landmine explosion. On 12 May 2023, members of CNF are tragically killed Lianzaton, 32, and Tin Haovong, 37, between Phalam and Hakka. On 11 January 2024, Thursday at 1 p.m., the CNA opened fire on ZRA forces in Laitui village. During the gunfight, 2 CNA members were killed and 2 others sustained injuries. On 3 April 2024, Wednesday, the CNA and CDF Hualngao engaged in gunfire with ZRAEC forces between Taoleng and Tui Sazang village. In the clashes, 6 CNA members were shot dead and 5 bikes were destroyed. From 1st to 3rd May 2024, approximately 200 members of the CNA and its allied forces, including CDF Hualngao, CDF Tonzang, PDF Zolan, PDA, and CDMC, attempted to take over a ZRAEC camp. During the clashes, ZRAEC soldier Lian Haomong lost his life. Additionally, Salai Van Hoitang, Van Tioboy, Tong Tong, and Dal Sin Mang from the CNA side were also killed. On 6 May 2024, there was a confrontation between ZRAEC and the CNA along with its allies near Lilo village, which is in Tidum district. During the skirmish, a drone belonging to the CNA was shot down.